channel. Today we're going to do a fun activity. It's tie-dye tee from Smiggles. It includes instructions, a white t-shirt, some gloves, rubber bands, and 3 powder paints. 6. Step 1. Let's prepare the colors. All we need to do is fill the water up till this line. And then we need to shake it. Shake, 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 shake. Let me prepare all the colors and I'll be back with you. My colors are ready. Step 2. Let's fold the t-shirt and then tie it with the rubber bands. So let's fold the t-shirt. Now we need to place the rubber bands. I put 5 rubber bands on this design for 6 colors. Let's tighten the rubber bands. This is how your t-shirt should look like. Nice and tight. Tip: double up your rubber bands. Step 3. Let's place these colors in every block. Now I'm going to wear the glove so my hands don't get dirty. My favorite part, pour in the colors. Let's wait for the cloth to absorb up for 24 hours. My t-shirt is all dry. It took 2 weeks for it to dry in Melbourne cold. Let's move on to the next step. Now we have 2 options of what we have to do. 1, we can take the rubber bands off or we can cut them off. Be careful not to cut your t-shirt. Ta-da! Doesn't it look amazing? Let's try it on. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye! Don't forget to hit the subscribe button.